Hey, it's our second day in Jeju Island, Korea. So yesterday we didn't get to visit Loveland because we were tired from the flight. But today we watched the Painter's Hero show, Loveland. We're gonna go have some foot spa as well. Excited to try that. Need to relax. By the way, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and so you can travel along the world with me. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So I actually didn't vlog much while we were shopping because they don't really allow video cameras here. But yeah, I'm in a Korean grocery right now. Everyone's going cray. I just got some souvenirs for my family. For my family, I got this original Jeju pot. It's like a very soft cookie. It's their local cookie that they have here. This is my favorite. And then we also got Jeju chocolates. I just tasted this. It's Jeju orange chocolate. They also have cactus, kiwi.
They believe the statue will keep us from the evil spirit. No, the statue.
No.
You'll have a boyfriend.
Not boyfriend. Son.
This is our lunch. We're gonna have some Korean bulgogi. And then these are our sides. We got japchae, radish, macaroni, kimchi, vegetables. Yay! So we're here at the foot spa place, which I think I'll be needing. But I heard it's like a self-massage foot spa. So my pants are too tight, and I went in their special room. I'm gonna fit this on right now. DIY foot spa. These are my pants. And got a little sink going on over here. I don't have the cutest piece, so I make it colder. So we have to drop the tea bag into the water. Here we go. Oh,
Hi vloggers.
that's Royce.
Tell which one is uphill and which way is downhill. So below is already in neutral. Below the bus is moving uphill. The giant goat is pushing from behind.
We're in front of Loveland and there's like something in behind me. I don't want to get demonetized. Okay, oh, interesting. Door handle for the toilet for the men. What else is here? Oh, this place is pretty much all R18. And they even have a dog over there. What else? Oh, this one's okay. This one's the most okay out of all the places here. How in the whole park we have like this one wholesome attraction.
Make sure you check out my Instagram story highlights so you can see what I did in Loveland. After we went to Loveland, we watched the Painter's Hero show, which is basically a Korean K-pop boy band group mixed with art. Yes, they do paint while dancing. It is an awesome and very entertaining show. The guys were even featured on Asia's Got Talent.
This is a video. You're very good. Very good. Oh, it's a drawing. So we just finished watching the Painter's Hero show. Got their autographs, took a picture with them. I think BTS mixed with artists. So they're dancing while they're painting. It's an awesome show. Now we're gonna go eat pork barbecue. My favorite in the whole wide world.
Now we speeding, diamonds on you. But that ain't enough to turn the page. Just kneeling, wants to feel known. But he's not the one who goes away. That ain't enough to turn the page. Leash is off, suit is on point. Okay, I'm taking over the vlog.
Hi.
Here's some behind the scenes look of her photos.
Behind whatever bamboo thing is that?
The model doing her thing.
Follow us then on Instagram. Hit us up.
Link it.
Rice Bautista.
There's actually some cherry blossoms also. Sorry, I need more energy, but this is for the vlog. So don't forget to subscribe and follow her on Instagram and subscribe on her YouTube channel.
Wow!
New vlogs coming up every month.
Every month. There's a feeling inside. It's really good. There's a feeling inside.
So this part of the village is 200 years old. Nobody lives here anymore, but they left it to be a tourist attraction. In the olden days, the men were treated like kings while the women were treated like slaves because there were more women in the village than men. And the guys leave for war and a lot of them don't come back. Basically, this is an old school toilet. So in the olden days, this is where they go number 2 and then the pig over here eats it. So this is a regular person's gate and there are different meanings with the number of wood displayed. Like if there are 3 displayed, it means the family went on vacation, and if it's just 2 displayed, the family are off to work, and if it's just 1 displayed, it means they're just nearby, like they went to the grocery, stuff like that.
So we just finished touring the Korean folk village. Now we're and then these are side dishes.
Stir up no clash on second thought. Venice passport. She's on the job, but she stays.
This is
So
rice.
we're in the volcano now.
What's the volcano called?
Seongsan.
See, Seongsan.
Hello.
Oh, so they said it takes 30 minutes. We'll try to beat that.
Yeah, we'll find out.
So right now it is 2:47 and we've already walked 5,000 steps. So we're gonna find out how many steps it would take to go up and go back down. So let's go.
We'll see how tired we are later. Hopefully not too tired.
Let's
Okay.
see if we will
See you guys.
succeed.
He's kneeling, wants to feel no, but he's not the one who pulls away.
How are you guys doing?
We're good.
You're good? I'm tired. 272 in 5 minutes. Whew.
That ain't enough to turn away.
And we made it!
And it's 3:15, so we beat it by 2 minutes.
Yeah!
Yeah.
So,
We burned 200 calories going up.
but Ralph's the tiredest.
Go. I'm good.
I didn't even sweat, joke lang. It was tiring, but look at the view.
Super nice.
That used to be a crater.
That can you believe that used to be a crater of a volcano?
So go here, guys. Don't give up. Climb it. Don't just stay in the middle.
I almost did, but super worth it.
He's not the one thing. Oh, you got enough on your plate. Got enough on your plate. He's not the one, babe. No.
Our legs are shaking, so he's walking backwards. Sige guys. Sige. What is this? Orange?
Orange sherbet.
Ah. Good. After that walk, it's refresh, duty free. The first floor is all name brands. As you can see, we have Chanel here, Hermes, Gucci, but I don't plan on shopping. This kind of. I'm with Ralph and Royce. What is it? We're not sure if this is a bar. It looks too quiet. Yeah, we're trying to go bar hopping now. So let's go. Let's see what's inside. There you go. So that bar seemed to be okay and serve drinks, but then like no one is like really out. I think it's because it's a weekday. It's a Monday. It's empty. So where are you off to next?
And then the soju.
Okay, up down pump. Okay. Stop because he told us that the food ran out. So now we're okay. Let's start all over again. Okay? You have to do this again. So maybe just watch. We ordered bulgogi pizza. I'm I'm interested. It's good?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's zoom in. Ooh, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Hi guys, so we just came from a video karaoke bar. This is vlog entry number 50 for Jeju
I
Island.
have like 200 videos already.
So she's still, I just took over for her, but she's still very capable of videoing herself. But
I
she
can.
passed it on to me, so you guys got me for the next 30 seconds. So the people here are pretty boring. But if you like,
I mean, it's a Monday night.
but
It's a Monday night. What do you expect?
Everywhere we went, it was a karaoke bar. So, I mean, if you love to sing, then this is a place for you.
And we dance all night to the best song ever.
she just likes singing. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah.